National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 274, effective until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Brazoria, Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, and Harris, and the following coastal locations: Galveston Bay, and coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.